there's a dragon attacking the city. This is a job for Sailor Moon. Moon Prism Power Make Up! Prepare yourself, dragon. In the name of the moon, I will punish you. Oh no! My tiara is gone! What am I gonna do now?
Don't you worry, Sailor Moon. I got your back. Welcome to Print a Prop, where we print props for cosplay and everyday life. Today we're helping the pretty guardian who fights for love and justice to get a new tiara. She needs it so she can perform her Moon Tiara action attack and take care of that pesky dragon who's stomping around the city. This is what we need. Red resin, a round or a preferably oval latex mold, super glue, gold paint, spray filler, spray varnish, sandpaper. Optional is a Dremel and polyester. I use polyester because the filament I'm printing with isn't the best, so I need to strengthen the print. But if your print is fine, you don't need it. This 3D model was made by Stonedge on Thingiverse. Find a link in the description below. But before we start printing, we're gonna make a red gemstone out of resin. Resin consists of two parts, the color and the hardener. Check the info on how to mix your resin before mixing it. I found that filling half of this mold, that is 2 cm wide and 1 cm deep, is a good measurement for my gemstone. You might have to go through some trial and error before finding the right size. This resin takes about 30 to 40 hours to completely harden, but after about 24 hours it's soft and moldable. So I made a bezel setting in Blender, and after printing it and waiting 24 hours, I made sure that it fit nicely into the bezel setting. While the gemstone was hardening, I printed the tiara. You can see that I had already added the bezel setting to the 3D print, but I found that it was too small, so I removed it. After removing the support, I sanded the rough parts and used polyester to strengthen it. Then I sprayed it with spray filler and used my Dremel and sandpaper to sand it. Then I sprayed it with more spray filler until I had 3 layers. Sanded it, sprayed again, and sanded it again. Repeat this step until you are satisfied with the smoothness of your tiara. Before painting, I primed it with a grey spray paint, and then I used a sponge to dab on the golden paint. After 3 layers of paint, I was satisfied with the result. I then sealed it with a few layers of spray varnish. After the gemstone had completely hardened, it was slightly too wide for the bezel setting, so I had to sand down the edges until it was smooth and could lay completely flat. To glue the gem to the bezel setting, I used a toothpick and only put glue on the lowest part of the gemstone. I did this so when I slide over the bezel setting, I don't get any glue on top of the gemstone. And finally, I glued the gem to the tiara. And done. Looks great. Fantastic model. Print it. Sailor Moon, here you go.
Thank you so much. Now, dragon, in the name of the moon, I will punish you. Moon Tiara action! did it!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of the future printer prop videos. And if you have a prop you would like to see printed, let me know in the comments below.